The Ferrari Purosangue is a groundbreaking SUV that combines Ferrari's legendary performance with the practicality of an SUV. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Sleek and muscular design. The Purosangue boasts a distinctive Ferrari design with aggressive lines, aerodynamic curves, and a sloping roofline that gives it a sporty profile. Signature Ferrari styling. It features the iconic Ferrari front grille, sculpted flanks, and prominent rear haunches, instantly recognizable as a Ferrari. Bold front end. The front end is dominated by a large, aggressive grille and sharp headlights that give the Purosangue a powerful and assertive presence. Interior. Luxurious cabin. The interior is crafted with premium materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, creating a luxurious and sophisticated ambience. Driver-focused cockpit. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. Comfortable seating. Four comfortable seats offer ample support and adjustability for both driver and passengers. Engine and performance. Powerful V12 engine. The Purosangue is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers 715 horsepower, ensuring exhilarating performance. 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. An 8-speed dual-clutch transmission enables rapid gear shifts for lightning-fast acceleration. All-wheel drive system. The all-wheel drive system provides optimal traction and handling in various driving conditions. Features. Adaptive suspension. The adaptive suspension system adjusts to different road conditions, providing a comfortable and engaging ride. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. High-performance Brembo carbon ceramic brakes ensure exceptional stopping power. Advanced driver assistance systems. The Purosangue comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems for added safety and convenience. Premium sound system. A high-end sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Advantages. Unique combination. The Purosangue uniquely combines Ferrari's legendary performance with the practicality and versatility of an SUV. Unparalleled driving experience. It offers an unparalleled driving experience that blends luxury, performance, and practicality. Exclusive ownership. Owning a Ferrari Purosangue provides exclusive access to the Ferrari brand and its community. Seats. The Purosangue offers comfortable and supportive seats, providing ample space and comfort for both driver and passengers. Wheels. The Purosangue rides on large, lightweight alloy wheels that enhance its sporty appearance and contribute to its dynamic handling. Overall, the Ferrari Purosangue is a groundbreaking SUV that redefines the boundaries of luxury and performance. It offers a unique blend of Ferrari's iconic heritage with the practicality and versatility of an SUV, making it a truly exceptional vehicle.